Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's Uncle Sam Rider here. Hope you enjoy the video. So it's been nearly 8 months since or more or less 8 months since I bought the bike. I'm still enjoying it. I'm loving it as my first bike and my first experience as a newbie. Yeah, it's a great time. I'm so glad I bought the bike. Best investment I ever made. And now think about it, I should have bought a bike ages ago. Yeah guys, for anybody that's new to this channel, I've created this YouTube channel, Uncle Sam Rider, and an Instagram to share my adventures on my very first bike, this Yamaha XSR 125 from year 2021. If you haven't seen my other channels, I recommend you watching them. I talk more into detail about the bike, extras, a bit about everything about the bike, my experiences, my pros and my cons. And now basically this video is just a ride around the local roads where I live here in the south of Spain, in Andalusia. Lovely roads, lovely bends and corners, and yeah, I love just going out on the weekends or weekdays and just enjoy the bike. So guys, as the title says, it's more about riding and less talking. So there isn't going to be much talking in this video, it's just enjoying the ride. Hope you like the video and subscribe if you like it. And if you have any questions, anywhere I can help, it'll be a pleasure to be able to help you guys out. And I've got some news actually I want to tell you. I won't be keeping you waiting any longer. So I've officially signed up to get my A2 license, which I can ride up to more or less either 500cc, 48 horsepower, and 35 kilowatts. So yeah, I've really enjoyed this bike, but I'm ready to move on. It's been my first bike. I know I haven't had it for a year, but anyway, I'm just starting now to study, so maybe by end of this year or earlier, there's no rush, I will be getting my A2 license, which at the moment I only have my B license here in Europe, which means I can drive a vehicle and any motorbikes up to 15 horsepower, 25cc practically. So yeah, I'm excited. I will definitely continue my YouTube videos with my new whatever bike I might get. I have no idea. I have just no idea. There's so much selection out there. There's so many things, so many bikes you can choose. I am between a naked bike and a trail bike. So trail bikes, I prefer naked bikes, but trail bikes are much comfier. So anyway, I'm not sure what I'll do. Well, first of all, most important is to get the license, the A2 license. So yeah, I'm doing that for the moment. Anyway guys, girls, enjoy the video. I must say one of the best things I like about this engine, this 125 engine, is the VVA system, the variable valve action, where it's a system that Yamaha has created that gives you, it has a little mechanism in the engine, so it gives you its best performance in lows, mids and highs. With a 125, I mean usually in highs, and mostly highs, it's when it doesn't do that well, but even when I'm in third gear or second and I'm literally going ever so slow, the variable valve action, which pops up on the little dashboard, the LCD screen, it activates, so it shows you when it's actually working. It works really good, and also as soon as you pass about 10,000 RPM, it automatically kicks in and it works awesomely. Okay, now, so after refueling, I'm on my way to my motorbike club. yeah, we have one meeting, Crazy Thursdays, every week, which is obviously on a Thursdays, and obviously every weekend we go on a road trip. So yeah, I'm on my way there now. So what we do on the Crazy Thursdays is just chill, talk about bikes, about life, drink, and just have a nice time and just enjoy it. And here we are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. I'll be uploading another video soon of the whole group on a road trip.